Alright, good morning. I did take a pre-market trade. We're down a couple points, but I took a short right here. I like the retest the top of the zone where we found support and then resistance. It's not looking like it was looking good for a second. Now it's not stopping me out. Unfortunate. Maybe not. Oh. We'll see. We're gonna take it a trim here and a trim here, or those might take profits, but we'll see. We'll see. Looks like it wants to go up. It looks good for a second, but it just didn't make the push or the drop. It didn't make any move down. It didn't have any follow through at all. It looks like it's not stopping now. I'd be pretty surprised if it didn't. I don't know what it's doing. It's giving me mixed signals here, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna play out unless we get a pretty good drop off the open. It looks like it's gonna stop me out here. Maybe there's like a bull flag. It just looked like a weakness at an area of resistance, but yeah. Unfortunate way. I guess I should learn my lesson and not try to trade pre-market because it never works for me. That's probably just on the top wick me, I'm sure. Ugh.
Trying to holla at you. Where you face to the head, to the nails, to the fabric. Skin so soft and you smell hella good. I don't say much, baby, I'm about action. Let's make it happen, you should put it on your schedule. Usually I'm only focused on the revenue. I'm trying to give you something you ain't never had. I'm trying to show you some things that you ain't never knew. Links on the bracelet, glisten in the light. You could call me in the middle of the night. Champagne bottles on a little bit of ice. You ain't gotta go to work, you should live a little life. For sure. Feel like I know you a lifetime. I was really waiting on the right time, whether morning, noon, or the nighttime. Tried everything, but I can't get you off of my mind. Okay, girl, you just so different. I can see you looking at me from a distance. Girl, you got my attention. I can't get you off of my mind. Okay, now you showing me the same. It don't matter where you go, they know the name. Girl, you been on my brain. I can't get you off of my mind. You been in the gym working out. You been staying focused in the house. You been making money out the mix. You been reading books, taking trips. I'm trying to see what piques all of your interests. You got substance, I can see the difference. You like new places and new things. Come with me, listen to your intuition. Talk to me, yeah, baby, you the one. Walk with me, give you anything you want. Time, I ain't got much, real nigga. Girl, you got one. I done been all over the world. Girl, you one of a kind. The way you dress, your physique, and the look in your eyes. Did everything I could do a couple of times, but I just can't get you off of my mind. I can't get you off of my mind. Okay, girl, you just so different. I can see you looking at me from a distance. Girl, you got my attention. I can't get you off of my mind. Okay, now you showing me the same. It don't matter where you go, they know the name. Girl, you been on my brain. I can't get you off of my mind.
I'm trying to take it up to this next zone. I like the move higher if we can hold here. I mean, the fact that it got that breakout, like we want to make a move higher, so we'll see.
And they ain't never seen a nigga like
break even. Wait, did not just work? Alright, we'll take it. Small gain on the day. We'll see.
Still to be happy about. You're up 2-0. Job's not finished. Job finished? I don't think so.
Okay, ownership, equity, shares and percentages. Everybody think they will. That's what the difference is. I can see how it won't, then pivot into fixing it. Every single time I eat, the team benefit. In somebody's story, you gon' be villainized. Yeah, I got the drive, it ain't for rent. I built the enterprise. I came to eat like it's dinner time. This is the beginning. I treat it like the finish line. And you know I'm going for gold. It's a lonely road. Will Hill, the greatest story told. You could bend but never fold. I wanna be more, so I move O's. That's how it goes.
So with this album, right? What do you plan to accomplish with this album? Like, how do you?
That's a nasty rejection off that zone.
To view this.
Nasty, nasty, nasty. Dear God.
All I could see is these dollar signs that's in front of me. All I know is I ain't even close to where I wanna be. Nigga got the vision, I gotta build out the company. I'm putting all the pieces together, that shit was puzzling. Trouble in the forefront, product need a storefront. 98 Accord, I couldn't even afford none. Tell them niggas post some, tell them bring more blunts. All of these thoughts, I couldn't even record none. Niggas thinking short term, they don't see what I see. I see myself a leader in the coup like Gaddafi. I can see I'm building the proof, how they gon' stop me. I see they try to cover the truth, I need a proxy. Caught up in the matrix, trying to stay patient. Need the opportunity to meet the preparation. Trials and tribulations, mogul in the making. Waiting on the results to match the dedication, come on. Came in with all my dogs. Rain, shine, we still gon' eat. You know the money don't fold. And you could put it all on me. Ain't see the tribulations, all the shit I had to do.
Got that untouched control right there. Just almost made it to it from yesterday.
I was thinking rational, I ended up with rations. I needed more direction for the lights, cameras, action. Stuck to the script, but I was never acting. Them times when I was broke, I just needed better casting. The people that surround you is what you amount to. They could either lift you up, or maybe they could clown you. They could either hold you afloat, or they could drown you. What you gonna do when that water start to surround you? I'ma make a yacht of it, I'ma make a lot of it. All about my business, I specialize in profiting. I don't do politics, I ball like optometrist. I'm a sharpshooter, I'm a king, I'm Stojakovic. Bitch, came in with all my dogs. Rain, shine, we still gon' eat. You know the money don't fold. And you could put it all on me. This is what's supposed to happen. We've tried to take shortcuts and we've tried to do little things to make shit go faster, but at the end of the day, we had to come back and learn those lessons because it's like the stairs, and you can't just skip 5 stairs to try and get to the top of the...
You can't beat the traffic, bro. You can drive as fast as you want. You get off the highway, do other roads. You're going to get there when you're going to get there, man. And I feel like to that tweet, the mentality behind that is the only roadblock that I acknowledge, and I feel like we acknowledge, is the one that God put there.
International, yeah, first class, international, yeah. First class, international, presidential shit, Buckhead, pulling out of some residential shit, Benz whip. If I start it, then I'ma finish it. A whole lot of flutes and don't nobody play no instruments. Toast to the accomplishments, continent to continent, pitching for the sponsorships, the illest and the populace. This shit is constant, you can hear it in the consonants. The spokesperson for money, fashion, and opulence. Black truffles and money duffels, I do the hustle. I never tussle, the niggas know me, it's off the muscle. Off the muzzle if my dogs and them can't even trust you. Loyal to the dirt, ain't no question if I love you. She say she love me, dog. That's just the way it goes. I'd rather chase this paper. I never chase these hoes. I can't stop getting to the money. I can't stop.
No, I can't.
Doing player shit all around the world.
Yeah. What they know me for. Having plenty hoes and doing plenty dough. And I got habits I'm still trying to break. Bitches I'm still trying to shake. They showing up, I'm always late. Can't give them the time of day. I ain't got no time to waste. Smoke every blunt to the face. Kicking bitches out like Pam. They sacking up in my place. 4 or 5 to LAX. I'm on a flight to ATL. 4 ounces in my carry-on. Stood up so they can't catch the smell. Only here to catch a play. Make sure that the money's straight. We all around the world with this. Been a legend since my first tape. A legend since my birthday. Still getting fresh on my worst day. I'm getting money from Thursday to Thursday. A player in real life, fuck an Instagram caption. We the ones that matter. All this shit I talk is fashion. Got some bitches with me and Grandma Molly in the capsule. And if they take this, ain't no telling what might happen.
She say she love me, dog. That's just the way it goes. I'd rather chase this paper. I never chase these hoes. I can't stop getting to the money. I can't.
There's that point control right there. Tapped it from yesterday. So react. We just kind of took out these highs. Got this high here. So far, kind of making higher highs, higher lows from yesterday's session. What do we do? I like a potential break higher and pull back into this zone.
Marcella, I'm a skino, meetings in Cupertino. I could be the keynote, come from peeping the peephole. Benz for the B-roll, baby, a cappuccino. Stay with the vino, add on another zero. I had to reload, had to get in the kitchen. I had to do it, I had to show them the difference. I wanted credit, I did it all independent. I wanted equity, I want all the percentages. If I started, I finish it, that's who I grown to be. I see the clones and they don't even come close to me. It's already written, this is where I'm supposed to be. Champagne in the air, this next toast is to me, come on. Put your hands, put your money, put your glass up. Took a risk, had to go and get the bag up. Will Hill, I ain't nothing like the last one. Yeah. Champagne, baby, it's a toast. Made a name off of everything I know. Lane to lane won't change, I'm a coast. Come on, this is like having your right hand lit. You know what I'm saying?
Being fashionable, all that shit.
It's attributes.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And nigga, I feel like I got my sliders all the way up.
Benzitos and Lexuses, I do the 24-karat necklaces. I like bad bitches, it's a preference. And a lot of money in my text messages. I'm OT, out of town, my nigga, I'm out of state. A tuck spot, I want the season and the filet. A fixer up, but I need a season to renovate. And good weed, just need a reason to ventilate. I inhale, feel like I've been waiting to exhale. Baby like my style, yeah, she say that I dress well. Hop into the whip, yeah, it got the new check smell. You could do the issue with the body, cause it mesh well, yeah. Put your hands, put your money, put your glass up. Took a risk, had to go and get the bag up. Will Hill, I ain't nothing like the last one. Yeah. Champagne, baby, it's a toast. Made a name off of everything I know. Lane to lane won't change, I'm a coast. Come on. just can't resist. What you wanna do? I got the bread, I got the juice, I'm out the mix. I got the place, so what you doing after this? Gold on your neck, gold on your wrist. Turn around, baby, let me take a pic. I got the bread, I got the juice, I'm out the mix. I got the place, so what you doing after this? Gold on your neck, gold on your wrist. Turn around, baby, let me take a pic. Yeah. Got the clique on tap. I be all over the map. Come on. Hey. Yeah. I said I wake up in the morning, get the money, it's a wrap. Got the clique on the tap. I be all over the map. 2 cell phones still never hit your back. And the cash like the clothes, count the money by the rack. Fresh white tee, got gold on my neck. I was really on the move, I ain't get to see your text. I don't do no drama, I don't do no disrespect. If you put the plan in motion, nigga, I'ma do the rest. Give me all the assets to keep the funds liquid. Niggas really hating, but at least they got the witness. Gold on the frame, Garcia for the lenses. You could come to the crib, we ain't kicked it in a minute. Cute little frame, I like how you did that. All that ass in them jeans, don't know how you hid that. It cost to be the boss, yeah, I had to spend that. Baby, where you been at? That nigga been at. Come on.
Post it up, got tequila in my cup. Eyes on me, you should come with us. Don't act up, you can say what's up.
I like the break above and pull back. I don't know if I feel that this is a strong enough break move above to go long here.
Act up, you can say what's up. I'll be out the way, I'll be in the cut.
Rockin' fresh linen, you can smell we winning. Every photo that I'm in, you can see me grinning. Shit, I'm really living. Could rock my jewelry when I go swimming. Self-made and I make a killing. I treat the game like I'm drug dealing. Nicky Bonds, I'm untouchable. Wish I got multiple, you niggas uncoachable. That's why y'all don't get it. I'm at the Taylor shop.
That's in that pre-market high now, though. Give it a shot. Oh, whoops. To my stop down here. And then I want my take profit. Want that a little higher.
I was gonna say, so the album is called Job Ain't Finished. What does it look like when a job is finished? Like, what is a finished job to you?
A finished job to me is a job ever finished though? Yeah. Yeah. Hasta luego. I need the peso. I need the money to flow. Niggas on payroll. Do what I say so.
I move to stop the break even, so in case we don't clear high day. But I want to see it go. Yeah, I might come back and if it's struggling to break high day, it might stop me out at break even here. Maybe not. I want to put it just below that 100 level. Nice whole number, so I'll take it a little below that. Get there.
figure it out.
Yeah, I got the agua. There you go. I got the agua. I talk to Allah. I'm out of my mind, crashing into the pylon. The leather Louis, the denim nudie, the thick cute.
Nice.
Making a home movie.
So I'm about trying to take it up to this next level, but I only lost, maybe, or not lost, but I only sacrificed about 10 points if I took it a little early. So I think that will probably be it for me today. I'm gonna keep it short. I had a good day, so we're not looking to risk more than I need to. But that was nice. I like that break above, pull back. We held that point of control from yesterday. We wicked it twice, held it. You can see on the 1 minute we were just holding it really well. That was good to me. On the higher time frame, we're making higher lows, higher highs. Just kind of going with the trend and looking for an entry. Got a pretty good entry just once we held that point of control. It looks like I got a pretty good timing on that exit as well. Nice little fofody on it. Happy with that.
And then you realize that this point is just a pit stop on the way to your destination. And you could either stop or you could keep going. But you know that if you keep going, that it's gonna be more pit stops like this along the way. And that's why you gotta keep that destination in mind.
Yeah, no, I agree, 100%. It's all about having a destination. You got to know where you're trying to go to get there. You know what I mean? Otherwise, you just aimlessly driving around.
Baby, let's link up. It's been a minute since we touched. I don't wanna say too much, but if you got time, then let's link up. Again. You ain't gotta take me back. Feelings we don't wanna unpack. I don't wanna do you like that, but you ain't gotta do it like that. You ain't gotta take me back. Feelings we don't wanna unpack. I don't wanna do you like that, but you ain't gotta do it like that.
Yeah, I ain't seen you in a minute. Where you been? Part of frames with the deep blue tint. What you been on? You still ain't got a man? Shit is crazy, baby. I don't understand. Cause you look too good. Everybody approach you. Working out, eating right like you supposed to. What you wanna taste? Where you wanna go to? From Atlanta to LA, I'm bi-coastal. Yeah, I just had to let you know what's up. Baby, what you drinking? Where you cup? Come back to the spot. I'm headed to Valet. Is you with me or not? Real low key.
And I did wake up into that zone, so could have tried to take it. Same thing happened here, right? I took it a little bit early. That's 20 points. That's another $200 I left on the table today. So that 500 could have been 700. It's a real strong push to the upside, though. It's pretty crazy. Crazy move to the upside. What up, man? I can't hear you. I'm not sure if you're trying to talk. You there, man? I can't hear you if you're talking. I'm not sure if you are. Let me see if it's on my end. It might be on my end. Let me check. Yep, it's definitely on my end. What's up, dude?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, my bad. Took me
Come
too
on,
long.
Bro, you can't do that to me.
I'm sorry. I was like, yeah, yo, you're muted. Well, what's
wrong with my headset?
my bad, dude? No, it's that my Discord, for some reason, it will reset like my audio input and output devices, you know?
Yeah.
So I don't change anything, but I'll just like get on Discord and it will switch it. And so I don't think it's me. Yeah, I don't think it's me, but it is. So that's my bad. What's up, dude? How you doing?
I'm alright. Take anything?
Yeah, I took a small loss in the pre-market, but then I caught along, and I'm probably done for the day because it was pretty solid.
Nice. I took a long as well.
Hell yeah, we're at.
Let me see what time. This is like on the 9:40 candle. Wait, no. That's when I got out.
Damn, nice.
It was like 9:37 or so.
Beautiful. Yeah, kind of like the break.
Average about like 9,000.
Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah. Wow.
So
Yeah, kind of like that.
9,000.
It's like a bull flag break, like right there. Kind of broke out. It moved pretty nice.
Sold the majority at like 90, 50, 90, 60.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's where I entered. It was like 950, and then I sold up at like 100.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I could have held that longer. I guess.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. It just opened up and just ripped. It's kind of weird. The first couple minutes, it like pumped and then retraced that whole move and then went right back up. I was like, I don't know what to make of that. But yeah, broke high a day and then kind of pulled back to that like pre-market high. And I had a zone there anyways, so it just had a few things lined up. It looked nice.
Why'd you get out? Just hit your target or?
Yep. Yeah, I have a zone up at like right around 110, kind of like right where it's rejecting. So I just took it like a little bit before that, before it got to that point. Kind of around like yesterday, if you see that swing high right around like 100, I just took it right around up there before it got to where my next resistance was.
Oh yeah. And the pre-market trade?
Pre-market, yeah, exactly. I took a short around like 9-10 or so. Same thing. I kind of had a zone there. It was like support, and then it broke below and came up and retested it, and was looking kind of weak on like the 1 and the 5 minutes. So I tried to short stops above that, and then yeah, when it opened, it just pushed up and stopped me out. I had smaller size on that one though, a little bit smaller size. I don't know, man. I see setups in pre-market, it never works for me.
So stop taking them.
I know, but then I'll see a setup in the pre-market, and I'm like, oh, I don't trade pre-market, and it will work perfect. And I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah.
So I hadn't taken a pre-market trade in a long time. That was my first one in probably weeks. And I just saw it, and I was like, oh, this is kind of lining up with what I'd want to see. It has a good risk to reward. But yeah. I think the issue is taking it like before market opens, because I feel like whatever's happening like a few minutes before market opens versus when market opens is like irrelevant. Market opens and
Yeah,
like
definitely.
volume comes in and it just erases whatever I thought I saw.
Definitely could have taken that short around like 7:30. I kind of had that
Oh yeah,
that range, and then it breaks to the downside right at around like 7:30 or something.
exactly. Yeah, so I was just taking it on the
There's a good
retest
short
of that.
opportunity, but right.
But yeah, they can't all work out. What's up, CEO? Good, man. The CEO? I'm chilling, brother. Appreciate you asking. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, man. It's I mean, it's hard for me to say because I don't know anything about how you trade, or I don't have any insight on like what you're specifically doing. Uh, but that's pretty common, dude. It takes a long time. I'm not profitable. I mean, I have been profitable over spans of time,
Slowing down, right?
but over the course of any suggestions?
I guess that's yes.
Yeah, dude, I would say the biggest things that have helped me is just to be patient and then manage your risk. So, like, if you're having a day where you're just taking losses and nothing seems to be going right, just walk away, man. Losses are part of it.
Going down a little bit more. Today it went down.
But yeah, without knowing exactly what you're doing, I would say risk management is huge. And then patience. Just be patient for setups that look good and don't be afraid to take them. And then just make sure you're managing the risk. So that could be like, when your trade's working out, maybe lower your stop loss to break even. Maybe taking partial profits, along the way, so you lock in some profits on good moves. Yeah, man, I appreciate you as well, and I wish you luck. You got it. Biggest thing, if you see improvement, just take that as a positive indicator. As long as you're getting better, that's what matters. But I wish you the best, man. I'm still working on it for sure myself. My bad, brother. I was muted. Yeah, the volatility is definitely slowing down. I went back to my regular position sizing this week. For sure, man. Yeah. All the best. I'm happy to answer any questions, but I don't know if I'll be able to give specifics, but yeah.
Yeah, I don't
Take it a
mind
day at a
going
time,
in
man.
right now. It's
Yeah.
just those like 5-minute candles that move like 300 points that like it just throws me off.
Same here, man. I didn't feel very confident like last week trading because it's just, I don't know. I mean, I'm glad I sized down and I actually came out positive instead of like what potentially could have been a very bad week with how volatile it was. But it was yeah, I definitely just had to take things slow. The biggest thing for me was like once my position was working, just raising my stop loss to break even, I think saved me a few times with how crazy the swings were.
Yeah. Yep.
Just painful to watch your position go from like 70 points in profit to stopping you out of break even, but
Yeah.
at the same time I'd have like a 200 point take profit. It just felt unreal. It didn't feel, yeah, weird.
Who that?
Oh, it's our favorite man, Ivan.
The Croatian sensation.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
What's going on, man?
What's up, E?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
No.
Oh, okay. Now I can hear you too. How are you, boys?
Doing well. How about yourself?
Oh, I'm good, man.
Very good.
I joined it yesterday in a chat, but I had some problem with sound. I don't know.
Hmm.
If you were there, Ryan, I couldn't hear anything.
Yeah, that could have been on my end as well, because it happened this morning. I thought Scream was muted, and it was on my end. I had the wrong audio set on my Discord,
Oh,
so it might have been on my end. Discord got an update, and I think it like reset my settings or something. Did you guys get that? My Discord looks all different now.
yeah, and mine is black now. All
Mhm.
black, like.
Mine's the same. I think.
Did you guys take anything?
Yeah, we both caught longs. Not
Oh, nice.
not lying actually this time. We actually did.
Nice. Did you allow an exit?
Yeah. I'll probably be done for the day. I have a decent win, so I'm just
Very
sticking around
nice.
for a little bit. How's it been going for you? You trade yesterday, Ivan?
Yeah, yesterday I had a nice win. Only one contract,
Nice.
but a nice win.
How are those accounts coming, brother?
Put it off.
Sorry?
I was asking how your account's coming along. I know you've been trading that one for a while.
Yeah, I mean I'm still like in the middle with them.
Nice. Progress.
I mean it is, but it's very slow. But it's okay.
Just take 20 contracts.
Is it Apex?
Yeah.
Nice. I saw they have an 80% sale again today. I feel like they always do though.
Yeah, I took 2 evils when they were like 90% off a few days ago on that TBM code.
Mm-hmm. Nice. I was debating it, but I didn't pull the trigger on it. I'm refusing to get any more accounts until I get a payout from these.
Yeah, smart. I'm just copy trade with my APEC, I mean PAs.
Nice. Solid. Yeah, 90% discount, no rush on those.
Looks like it wants to go higher.
Yeah, it's kind of breaking that, yeah, that swing high from yesterday. Yesterday afternoon.
Looks like I sold one once it started getting like a little choppy. I guess the chop is what scared me out.
Struggling around that like 120 area. I think we probably see a lower low here. We couldn't break high. Oh, that's 5-minute close wasn't very strong. Well, I lied. Breaking higher. Yeah, it's looking, oh, I'm so tired. It's looking pretty strong today. That's kind of a crazy candle. Broke high day and next 2 minutes just reversed all the way down.
Yeah, and 5-minute close pretty weak.
Yeah.
Maybe some pullback. Around pre-market high or something.
You say you like the wind blowing through your hair. Come on, roll with me till the sun goes down. Texas sun. Say you wanna hit the highway while the engine roars. Well, come on, roll with me till the sun goes down. Texas sun, oh yeah. Texas sun, caressing you from Fort Worth to Amarillo. Well, come on, roll with me till the sun dips low. Texas sun. Texas sun, oh girl. Texas sun. When I'm far from home and them cold winds blow, stuck out somewhere, folks I don't. 'Cause you keep me nice and you keep me warm. Wanna feel you on me, can't wait to get back there again. Texas sun. Texas sun.
Wow. Whoa, what was that?
Texas sun.
We didn't have news, did we? That was crazy.
No news. What is that?
Texas sun.
Holy shit.
Like the wind.
Like 50-point drop in a second.
Come on, roll with me till the sun goes down.
Did Trump tweet?
Waiting for
Trump
it.
probably tweeted.
Texas sun.
I took a single contract short there. I caught that. That's kind of crazy.
Nice.
I just got back from the pooper.
Dude. You were dumping, it was dumping.
Yeah,
A lot of
pretty
a lot of synergy going on, dude. Thank
I
you.
might have caused that.
Yeah, bro. It hit the water. It's like bloop. That candle just dropped.
The timing is correct.
The timing is correct. Yo, I have a
As soon as I come back, it like relaxes a little bit.
I have a theory. I need to test something. What happens when you pop a bone, brother? Does it pump? Are you the market maker? Oh, I'm sorry, that's foul. That was a crazy candle, though. What the fuck is going on? We were just talking about how the volatility slowed down a little bit, but now it's looking like it's right back. 100-point drop in like 2 minutes. What in the world is going on? I feel like something had to happen. Yeah, this is insane.
I feel like it's my poop going to like China. It's still traveling.
Oh my god, dude. It's in India.
Come on, buddy. Keep going. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy moves.
I'm falling off again, but I know I'm not your man. I find it hard to stand.
Alright, I think I might head out.
Alright, man. Yeah. I don't
Pretty
plan on
crazy
anything else.
past couple minutes.
Maybe smart, yes.
Alright, fellas, I wish you luck, and I'll see you tomorrow if you're on.
See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Thank you, yeah, you will.
See you, boys.
Yeah.